Welcome to the IntelliPlex Analytics demo. I'm going to play the role of a corporate quality manager. So I work for the Edge company. We make parts for a lot of different industries. We just recently asked Plex to activate our analytics, and now we have incredible visibility into our business. As you can see, our quality looks great. Well, that's embarrassing. Maybe not. That's a lot of red KPIs. Scrap is up 5%, and our first pass yield is down company-wide. I better figure out what's going on before my boss calls. Would you mind if I take a few minutes to figure out what's up with this? Great. So I've already heard that the Edge Corporation is having some problems. Let's start by selecting the Edge Corporation from my filter list up on the left. And now I'm going to collapse the filter area to view more on my screen. I can see all Edge Corporation quality KPIs are red. I notice the larger bar on the chart in the middle looks really high too. The Automotive products bar is really large. Looks like over 8,000 ppm. Something's not right. Let's click on the bar and drill into the details. Now I can see the Workcenter detail. Right off the bat, I can see the top two rows for our wire harness assembly. We've produced 25,000 in the last two runs, but we have a lot of scrap. Looks like 3,000 from one day and 5,000 for the next day. That's a lot of scrap. Let's go back. I'm going to go to a custom page I've created to keep track of my analysis. Kind of like a scratch pad to collect all my data. I've already pulled in some analytic objects for my analysis, and I see handling damage is the biggest reason for the scrap. Maybe we need more operator training on the shop floor. I wonder what impact this is having on our customers. So let's add a few more analytic objects from our sales and order management analytics to help figure out the impact. I'm going to select both late shipments and on-time fill rate by product type, and create a compound object to see the impact that all this scrap has had on my customers. I can see from the heat map that the dark blue is where the biggest impact is, my Automotive customers, which matches with the Automotive handling damage. As I hover over the area, I can see the average days shipped late is 50. I'm sure my Automotive customers aren't happy. Let's take a look at the on-time fill rate. I can see that our on-time fill rate is about 86%. Not bad, but it could be better. Obviously, because of the scrap rate, we must be overproducing the parts to keep our on-time fill rate as high as possible. That's got to be hurting the bottom line. Now let's take a look to see if our suppliers might be causing some of these problems from the Procurement and Spend Analytics app. Sure enough, I can see the supplier quality KPIs are all red. And I see in the donut object that we've got a high return rate for global materials. Let's drill on the donut and see what the returns are. Sure enough, they supply wire coils that are used in the wire harness operation and are one of the top reasons for returns with global materials. It looks like I need to have a conversation with our buyer and the supplier to work through these issues.